Hi everyone, in front of me I've got TCL 408 and let me share with you how to change the system language on this device. So first of all we have to enter the settings and then let's scroll down to the very bottom to find the system. Now we have to tap on languages in input and tap on languages. And as you can see here we've got the list of currently applied kind of languages. We've got only English, so let's tap on add a language, and here we've been transferred to the list of available ones, so just find yours and tap on it. Let me pick for example this one. As you can see, the language has been added to this list, however the English is still set, so the English is still a main one. Basically all we have to do right now is to tap on this one which we've just added, and as you can see from now on the whole system will be in the chosen language. Let me enter it again and tap on English, and as you can see it will be applied. If you want to remove the languages from this list, 3 dots icon in the right upper corner, tap on remove, mark this one which you'd like to delete and tap on the trash bin icon. Of course confirm it, and as you can see we've got only English left. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.